Hello everybody, getting ready to do 11.4 of Algebra 1 Math, Part 1. Part 2, Part 3 is available here. 11.4, finding probabilities of disjoint and overlapping events. We got a 36-point skills check here, and we have a 20 points worth of notes to be taken for this lesson. And teachers, here's your bell work here, writing which is greater, 6P7 or 6CR. Justify your answer. And then a complete exam. Eight questions from a list of 10. How many ways can you complete the exam? So here are your bell work. Teachers, give them 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Your solutions up here, which is greater. 6CR is 6PR multiplied by 1 over R factorial. The denominator is larger than the denominator of 6PR, while the numerators are the same, so 6PR is greater than 6CR. To complete an exam, here's our situation here. 10 choose 8, and we come out with 45 by the time we do our reduction out here. Okay, for finding probabilities of disjoint and overlapping events, you found probabilities of simple events. You will find probabilities of compound events. When you consider all the outcomes of either of two events, A or B, this situation here, you form the union of A and B, and this would be our union here. When you consider only the outcomes shared by both A and B, which would be this, you form the intersection of A and B. The union or intersection of two events is called a compound event. Intersection of A and B would be empty in that situation. This will be the union here. So to find P or B, you must consider what outcomes, if any, are in the intersection of A and B. Two events are overlapping if they have two or more outcomes in common, as shown in the first diagram. Two events are disjoint or mutually exclusive if they have no outcomes. So, students, in your own words, define compound event and overlapping, and then define disjoint and mutually exclusive as well. Okay, key concept: probability of compound events. If A and B are any two events, then the probability of A or B is probability A or B, which equals P of A plus P of B minus PA and B. So that would be your situation there. If A and B are disjoint, then the probability of A or B is probability A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. Find probability of disjoint events. Cards randomly selected from a standard deck of 52. What is the probability that it is a 10 or a face card? So we're looking for a 10 here or a face card, and here will be the face cards over here. These would be the 10 there. Then event A be selecting a 10, event B be selecting a face card. A has 4 outcomes, B has 12 outcomes. Because A and B are disjoint, probability would be probability A or B equals probability A plus probability of B, which would equal, you would add the probability of these together, and it would reduce to 4 over 13, which is 0.308 chance of happening. Okay, disjoint events, A and B are disjoint. Find probability A or B from our situation here. And then you have this same situation down here with different numbers. Students, pay attention. Okay, probability A equals 0.3, probability B equals 0.1. They're disjoint. Find probability A or B, and here would be your setup here for that. So this would be 0.4 on that one. Okay, our second example. Card is randomly selected from the standard deck of 52. What is probability is face card or a spade? This would be our situation here, spade or face card. So we got king, queen, and a jack. Face card or spade. And then there is our possibilities up here. let event A be a selecting the face card and event B be selecting the spade. A has 12 outcomes and B has 13 outcomes here. So of these, the 3 outcomes would be common to A and B, so the probability of selecting the face card or spade is here. We have probability of A plus probability of B minus probability A and B. And this would be A and B. The probability of A and B would be 3 over 52. This is the one we're looking for right here. And this comes out 22 over 52 is 11 over 26. And so the correct answer would be B for that one. Okay, I got to practice here. They're disjoint. Find probability A or B from these numbers here. Same thing down here for you students. Pay attention. Okay, events A and B are disjoint. So we're going to find probability A or B. Be 0.41 plus 0.24 in this situation here. A or B. And then it'd be 0.65 is what it would be. Okay, that was part 1 of 11.4. You want part 2, part 3, email me here. You need worksheets, etc., email me. Thank you.